Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Spinal De Luxe Mattress. This mattress is a roll-up mattress which is available in 3 sizes, a 3 foot, 4 foot 6 and a 5 foot. The Spinal De Luxe Mattress features 1000 high-performance pocket springs which are designed to provide superb support and minimise sleep disturbance. It is then topped with a layer of comfort foam for extra added comfort. This sumptuous mattress provides the ultimate benefit of natural temperature regulation with its wool and cotton fillings. The wool will keep you nice and warm in the winter months and the cotton will keep you cool in the summer. We also have a micro-quilted finish for additional natural comfort. This is a turn-free mattress, but it does require regular rotation and this can be done easily with the aid of the built-in side handles. We have 7 support zones built into this mattress. These follow your body contour, providing 7 different relief zones. This mattress has a medium to firm comfort rating. As mentioned, this is a roll-up mattress, meaning that it is vacuum packed for easy transportation. This mattress also offers a 5-year warranty. Treat yourself to the best night's sleep with the Spinal De Luxe Mattress today by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.